In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two keywords in Google Trends. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean comparison, read the charts with confidence, and pull useful insights from the related queries. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Trends. On the homepage, select Explore. This takes you to the main comparison workspace. Click where it says Add a search term and type AI tools. Before you proceed, set the context so your results reflect the audience you care about. Use the location menu to choose your country or region and adjust the date range to match the period you want to analyze. Past 12 months is a solid default if you're unsure. Then check the search type menu labeled Web Search. This tells Trends which surface you're analyzing. Web Search gives you the broadest view. To compare a second keyword, click the plus sign next to your first term and add ChatGPT. Your screen now overlays both terms on the same set of filters, which is key for an apples-to-apples comparison. Front and center, you'll see interest over time. This is a line chart that uses a 0 to 100 scale to show relative popularity, not raw search counts. A value of 100 marks the peak interest for that term within your selected time and region. Because each keyword is scaled within the same view, you can quickly see which one leads over time and when the lines cross. Use the color legend to match each line to its keyword and hover over the graph to see exact values at any point. Keep in mind that changes to the date range or location will rescale the chart. If you're testing different settings, adjust them one at a time so you can understand what's driving the shifts. Scroll down to the related queries section for deeper context. First, look at commonly searched queries. These show what people often search with your terms, which helps you understand user intent and content ideas. Next, review top queries. These are the queries with the highest overall interest associated with each keyword across your filters. Great for identifying evergreen demand. Finally, check rising queries. This highlights terms that are growing the fastest. If you see breakout, it means interest surged dramatically in the selected period. That's it. With two terms added, the right filters set, and the interest over time and related queries at your fingertips, you can quickly compare performance and spot trends worth acting on.